In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the save path before exporting your projects in CapCut. By the end, you'll know exactly where your finished videos will land, so you're not hunting through random folders after an export. First, open CapCut and head into your workspace. Give the app a moment to load your tools and timeline. Starting from a clean workspace helps you see the export options clearly later on. Next, add your video to the project. You can open an existing draft or start fresh and import your clip. Dragging your media into the timeline works well, and it ensures CapCut recognizes the project so the export panel shows all the right options. Double-check that your timeline looks good and that the project is ready to export, at least for a quick test, because we only want to change the save path once and have it stick for this and future exports. Now, click the Export button. You'll usually find it at the top right of the interface. This won't immediately render your video. It opens the export window where you can set quality, format, and, most importantly for us, the location where your file will be saved. Inside the export window, look for the Export to or Save to field. This is the path CapCut uses to store your final video file. Many times it defaults to a system folder like Downloads or Videos, which isn't always ideal. We're going to point it to a folder you actually use and remember. Select a folder now. Click the folder icon or the path field to browse your computer. Choose a location that's easy to access, such as a dedicated CapCut exports folder on your desktop or on a specific drive for your projects. If you use an external or network drive, make sure it's connected and has enough space before confirming the path. It's also a good idea to use a clear naming convention for your exports, something like project name, version, and date, so you can quickly identify the right file later. Once you confirm the folder, CapCut will use that path for this export, and in many cases, it will remember your last choice, which saves time on future projects. That's it. You've opened CapCut, added your video, accessed the export window, found the export to setting, and selected the exact folder you want. From here, when you're ready to export, your video will be saved to the location you chose, keeping your workflow organized and your files easy to find. Thanks for watching and happy editing.